Hello everyone, today we are going to learn 10 French phrases that we mostly use or hear while shopping. Let's begin. The first one. Bonjour, je peux vous aider? Hello, can I help you? Normally you hear this question when you walk into a store and a salesperson asks you, Bonjour, je peux vous aider? Hello, can I help you? Second one. Je cherche quelque chose de précis. I'm looking for something specific. For example, Bonjour, est-ce que je peux vous aider? And you say, oui, je cherche quelque chose de précis. Une veste blanche, un pantalon noir, or une chemise blanche. Next phrase. C'est combien, s'il vous plaît? How much is it, please? C'est trop cher. It's too expensive. For example, something is $1,000 or euros and you say c'est trop cher. It's too expensive. Vous avez une autre taille or vous avez une autre couleur. Do you have another size or another color? You can ask the question like that. Vous avez or est-ce que vous avez or avez-vous? All the three forms are correct. Je peux essayer. Can I try it on? Je peux essayer cette robe. Can I try this dress on? Je vais réfléchir. I'll think about it or I'm going to think about it. When you are not sure about something and you haven't decided yet, you can say je vais réfléchir. I'm going to think about it. I'll think about it. Je le prends or je la prends. It depends if the noun is masculine or feminine. If it's masculine, je le prends. It's feminine, je la prends. For example, for a dress, pour une robe, you can say je la prends. For a computer or un ordinateur, you can say je le prends. It depends if the noun is masculine or feminine. I'll take it. Je le prends, je la prends. Vous acceptez la carte? Or, acceptez-vous la carte? Or, est-ce que vous acceptez la carte bancaire? Do you accept card? I mean, credit card or debit card. Je peux payer en espèces? Or, est-ce que je peux payer en espèces? Can I pay in cash? Thank you so much for watching this video. Try to memorize these phrases. They are very important and they're very simple. And for sure you're gonna use them. If you found this lesson helpful, please don't forget to like the video. Have a wonderful day. À la prochaine.